On this occasion I will try to explain to you what causes a conventional compressor to turn on. When you activate the breaker on the electrical panel, 240 volts supply the entire circuit, passing through the fuse box, reaching the contactor and connecting the compressor and fan start coils. This is the electrical power. However, the condensing unit remains off. But when the thermostat is activated, the 24 volts activate the contactor coil, and this opens the way to the circuit which, through the capacitor, starts the system. And this is how a conventional condensing unit turns on.